Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while and I've really missed connecting with all of you. First, I want to start by saying thank you for sticking around despite my recent absence. I know I haven't been as active as I'd like to be over the past few months, and I truly appreciate your patience and continued support. To be completely transparent, the last few months have been incredibly busy for me. Between personal commitments and planning some really exciting content for this channel and my new courses on Udemy and my personal website. But I'm back and I'm more motivated than ever to deliver content and lessons on this channel that will help you grow and excel in your software development journey. Now let's talk about the exciting stuff. 2025 is going to be an incredible year for this channel. I've been brainstorming, planning, and crafting new content that I'm sure you're going to love. Here's a sneak peek into what you can expect this year. First of all, let me dive into Kotlin Jetpack Compose course. This course will teach you how to design scalable, maintainable apps using clean architecture principles and Jetpack Compose. We'll deep dive into Jetpack Compose, Google's modern UI toolkit. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this course will guide you through creating stunning, efficient, and responsive UIs. Then we're going to create and dive into Mastering Data Structures and Algorithms course. This course will take you from the fundamentals of data structures and algorithms, DSA, to the advanced problem-solving techniques using Kotlin. A must for every developer. In this course, you'll break down complex concepts into simple, digestible lessons that will make you confident in solving coding challenges and acing the technical interviews. The third course and playlist is the Software Design Patterns Made Easy. This is a practical examples for designing professional codes and professional Android applications and professional Kotlin softwares. Understanding design patterns is essential for crafting clean and scalable code. This course will focus on practical examples to implement patterns in your real-world projects. Then we're going to build a real-world Android projects playlist. Theory is great, but practice makes perfect. This series will focus on building complete Android projects that mirror real-world scenarios so you can apply what you learn immediately. Then we're going to move into integrating AI into Android applications. AI is transforming the tech world, and this course will show you how to integrate AI and machine learning capabilities into your Android applications, even if you're new to AI. Then we're going to start with unit testing and UI testing in Android. Writing tests can be tough, but it's an essential skill for professional developers. This course will teach you how to write robust unit and UI tests, ensuring the reliability for your applications. Then we're going to a very important and very professional and interesting topic, which is the Kotlin multi-platform, KMM for mobile developers. With KMM, Kotlin multi-platform, you can share code between Android and iOS applications. This course will focus on leveraging Kotlin multi-platform to make your development process more efficient. And the last thing is mastering dependency injection with Hilt and Dagger. Dependency injection is crucial for modern Android applications. This course will help you master Hilt and Dagger, empowering you to write cleaner and testable code. And that's just the beginning. I'm also planning to drop smaller, bit-sized videos with tips and tricks and updates throughout the year. My goal is to make this channel your go-to resource for everything Android development. Once again, I want to sincerely apologize for the gap in content recently. Life gets busy, but I'm committed to be here for you and helping you succeed. Thank you for your understanding, your encouragement, and for being part of this amazing community. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of these upcoming courses and videos. And if there's a specific topic I'd love to see covered, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I'm so excited about what's ahead and can't wait to take this journey with all of you. Here's to an amazing 2025 filled with learning, growth, and success. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding and keep creating.